this will sell on reputation alone as well, won't it?
It will. The Lynx is its own brand within the Doosan range, really. There are in the region of 40,000 Lynxes installed worldwide. Very, very popular machine tool. So when they launch new models, they have to get it right. Because like you say, it does sell on reputation, and we have to keep that legacy going.
Probably the first introduction I have to any business is that I'm looking to automate Lee, but I'm already getting a lot out of my machines, and actually I need to buy new machine tools if I'm going to automate. And both these are misconceptions. When we study what a 3, 4, 5 axis machine, a grinding machine's doing with a typical cycle time of 30-40 minutes, you're getting 40 to 50% maximum spindle on time there.
We're starting off with the 222, which is 22mm length of insert and 2 cutting edges. Yeah, this will be obviously developed in months and years to come.
Yeah, tell us more about the range.
Well, the range, as I say, currently we're launching it very soon, in the next few weeks into the UK. As I say, it's going to be in a 3mm parting off, so it's 22mm long, so it can actually part off to 21mm, which is typical of a lot of the sliding head machines, the Star and Citizens, which is a key target for the...
So what would you say this has ultimately done for your business, and what will it do?
Well, hopefully it's made it a lot more profitable, I hope.
And you've had it almost 2 years now. Any problems or service?
None at all, none at all. There's always at the end of the phone, Neville the legend.
He is a legend.
Yeah.
And Ian. And you've been so happy with the service?
Fantastic. Had very, very little trouble with it at all.
There you go, one happy customer. If you're interested in a machine like this, do make sure you get in touch with White House at the machine.
It was a task. It was a quick learning curve, to be honest. But to be fair, one thing I will say about Open Mind is their support was absolutely phenomenal. Once we got going on this part, because it was complex, it was simultaneous machining, which we hadn't necessarily done before. Every time we got stuck, we would phone them up and they would either deal with it there or then, or come back to us very, very quickly. There was none of this phone up, come back to us in a couple of days. It was sorted there and then. I was genuinely amazed.
But Hypermill for you, as you've said off camera, is the next level.
It is. Well, we just wanted to go to the next stage.
So me, Paul and Gio are currently at the MTI in Hinckley. So Gio, what are we doing here?
Well, Chloe, it's a really good question. Well, one of MTD's core values is education.
A few weeks ago, I was at Fanuc doing a live event where a robo-drill was cutting stainless steel. Today, I'm going to see that operation happening here at a customer's.
Is outsourcing your laser marking costing you too much money? Then Colchester Machine Tool Solutions have all the answers.
Yeah, and on our travels, we see more and more of your products, but just clear one thing up for us. A lot of people call you Blum rather than Bloom, but it is Bloom.
Yes, that's correct, yeah. It's caused confusion for all the years we've been in operation, really. The official pronunciation is Bloom. Many people out there know us as Blum, and often we'll get customers who will, when we introduce ourselves as Bloom, they don't recognise us until we say Blum, and then yeah, Blum, I know them. So yes, it's Bloom.
Yeah, I guess if they're placing an order, they can call you whatever they want.
Absolutely. No, we don't care.
Okay, so for people that aren't aware of Bloom or Blum, who are you and what do you offer the market?
Yeah, so we offer in-process metrology solutions for the machine tool and manufacturing industries. So for many people, they will recognise it as tool setting systems and workpiece spindle probing systems. So we've been doing that for over 50 years now. The entire emphasis is all on machine measurement. rather than post and pre-measurement. The strategy of what we believe is that if you manufacture the parts in the machine and check the parts while they're still in the machine, or check the tooling while it's all live in the machine, you get a much more accurate picture. You can make much more adjustments.
Are you ready for our MTD magazine, the May issue? Because you'll be getting your copy in the post any day now. As always, another bumper issue with 84 pages packed with unique and insightful content. So what's May's issue all about? Well, our medical sector report discusses the rapidly evolving sector, especially in light of the COVID pandemic. As an industry that is double the size of the UK civil aerospace sector, any changes here can have a big impact on UK manufacturing. We also have an interview with Professor Keith Ridgway, OBE and CBE, and founder of the AMRC Sheffield and Executive Chair of the AFRC in Strathclyde. He discusses the UK industrial strategy and why the UK is falling down on levelling up. The technology focus in this issue is all about measurement, and we kick this section off with Dr. Christian Young, highlighting the impact metrology can have on sustainability. And we also have an MTD exclusive competition where you can win a set of mountain bike pedals courtesy of Mitutoyo and Pembrey. I know Mark Dedman might like that one too. In the software section, we'll be looking back at the recent MTD live event at CG Tech, where I discussed Vericut Force and its applications at the SECO Technical Centre. Continuing with the medical theme, we have another exclusive from Younes Chahid. Now, he's been named as one of IMECI's 35 rising stars to watch under 35. And he talks us through how additive is revolutionising hip joint designs and manufacture. Really interesting. In the machining section, we interview JWA Tooling, a company that has invested heavily in new machine tools even through the pandemic. And we discuss why they bought Mazak Machining Centres and how it was an MTD video that prompted them to buy their first Mazak 5-axis machine. We also take a look at ForgeAll and how this company has launched a £179 plug-and-play system to plug into your machine tool and give you access to never-been-seen-before data and insights. And of course, we'll have all the latest from the world of cutting tools, our What's New section, and so much more. And don't forget my favourite section, the Spot the Difference as well. You won't forget. Right, please don't forget to click on the QR codes inside with your mobile phone camera and watch the associated MTD video. And don't forget that you can listen to features in our magazine. Just search for MTD Audiobook in your favourite podcast platform. A massive thank you, as always, to our advertisers for all of your support. Enjoy the issue.